Everybody, I'm back with another video today. Well, not today, I'm recording this a couple days later. We did install the exhaust on the F30. I didn't know how to film this video because it was a little bit of a process to put it in, so I got you guys a couple clips. However, this is not going to be a full DIY, but as well as if you have any questions running this on the stock bumper, like where to cut, how to cut it, how to put it up, just let me know down in the comments. I can help. It's not that hard. For all the M Sport people, you have M Sport bumper, you have no problem putting this up. You don't have to do no cutting. It should just be plug and play. But pretty much what we did was cut the bumper. You also got to cut the heat shield underneath because it won't fit with the heat shield all the way like perfect. And then you also gonna cut on the dimple of the actual OEM exhaust. That is where they want you to cut it. I don't know why BMW doesn't just put good mufflers on these cars, but hey, they put a dot to tell you where to cut it if you want to change the muffler. So you're gonna cut on that dot, and then you're gonna release the two rubber pieces, which are the hangers, and then there's also gonna be a sensor in there. You have to unplug that and transfer it over. The plug will just unplug and hang until you put the new one, but the actual, it's like a square, it's like the module sits on the new muffler, the AWE quad exhaust. So you transfer that over, you tighten it with the new hardware, and then that's it. Once you put the new muffler up, you're gonna want to adjust it how you adjust it. And yeah, just make sure you plug that in, because if not, you will get a check engine light. Especially if you're not tuned, that light will pop up right away. Because with the downpipe, that thing came on instantly. Like, it's there in your face. It's nothing serious, but it is there, and a lot of people don't like looking at that, and I'm one of those people. So, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little walk around and show you how it looks. I do need to adjust it because on one side it's pushed in more than the other side, and one side's out. So I kind of gotta adjust it, but how it sits now it still looks good from the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a walk around. And wait, no, first I'll throw in those clips, then I'll give you guys a walk around. So if you're new, like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna get into this video.
Look up the size.
Well, you probably have to slide that in hella further.
Yeah, I'm not worried about putting it.
Roll it that way. This way.
Roll it.
See? There you go. Now you're expert.
Okay.
How
the fuck are you gonna get it in there?
Look like that.
There you go.
This is not gonna be a DIY, but we got the exhaust and we're gonna install it. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little bit of a pain, but we're gonna get it in there. So I'll keep you guys updated. As you guys can see, we got it together now. All right, guys, so we got the muffler off. As you can see, this one is way bigger than that one. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put that in there.
Josh.
What?
A deep socket for 16.
This is how it looks underneath. We gotta like cut this, push that back. It's gonna look ugly for now. It's gonna look ugly for now, but once I change the bumper out, this will all make sense. For now, it's just gonna look all squared, but hey, all that matters is the car got the exhaust on it. So now you're gonna put these clamps. We're gonna jack up the muffler, put it into place, and then we're gonna pretty much be done. I wasn't able to record a lot, but I got you guys a little bit of sound clip when we take the muffler off, and I'm gonna get you guys a whole bunch of sound clips with the new muffler on. So yeah, this without a muffler. This is if I just
Rev it.
Jesus, dude, hey, go. That shit's fucking loud, bro.
Nigga, did you get a recording of that?
Yeah, the whole thing. Go ahead.
the DIY, just stay tuned. Trust me, you're not gonna want to miss it. It sounds amazing on the B58. This exhaust is made for the N20, but it fits on the B58 as well. So I'm technically the only B58 that I know of with the touring exhaust. Yeah, if you can prove me wrong, link the pricing below, but I'm the only B58 engine with the AWE touring quad exhaust on the 330i.
Look at the back. Ooh, it's nice and shady. Warriors in 7. Don't clip. Yeah, standard Warriors in 7. So as you can see, this is how she's sitting from the back. Don't judge the cut because we are gonna change the bumper out. So I didn't really care how this came out. As you can see, like with the fitment, I was saying make sure to adjust it how you want it at first, because as you can see, this one is perfect. It's sticking out, and then this one is more pushed in, and it's actually melting the bumper a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's kind of melting the plastic right there, and it looks ugly. So I kind of need to pull that one forward. I'll leave that one alone, but on the hanger, I need to pull this one out so that it's not melting the bumper, at least till I get the new bumper. Other than that, it's pretty much plug and play. The fitment is good. I took a couple of clips of with it without the muffler. I'll make sure to throw that on in this video, and then I'll go ahead and make a separate video of how it sounds, being that this is the first B48 I've seen with the AWE quad touring exhaust on the car. There's a lot of 328s with the N20, but not with the B58. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a lot of clips, a lot of reels, just so people get an idea how this exhaust sounds with the downpipe. It's honestly not that loud, and it sounds pretty good in my opinion. It's not obnoxious. There's no drone really, and even if you play music, you honestly wouldn't hear it anyways because it's not that loud. It's different if you are going to run this straight pipe. You're gonna hear that shit. It's gonna be loud. It is still valved, I believe, so you still get your functionality of the valves when you're in Sport Plus, and Eco. That's gonna conclude it for the exhaust update video. I'm gonna go ahead and make a whole bunch of content with the exhaust. So if I didn't get into this video, it's gonna be in one of the next videos. I'm pretty sure we're the first B48 that I've looked with this actual touring exhaust. So it is gonna be a new sound on YouTube. So I'll go ahead and bring out a lot of content on how it sounds, revving clips, a couple short videos, just to get it out there, to get more B48 guys interested in this muffler. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. If you're new, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. I'm Josh, and I'll see you in the next video.